today is guess the word. Alam niyo ba yon?
Hindi.
Hindi. Okay, let's see.
Banana Q.
Oh, galing ah. Oh, next picture.
Water gun.
Okay, next.
Red horse.
Red horse. Tama. Next.
Goldfish.
Oh, galing ah. Tama, galing. Next picture.
Ay, football.
Okay, very good. Next picture.
Caveman.
Okay, tama. Galing ah.
Beach.
Caveman. Next picture.
Tubig na pala.
Tubig na tana. Mali.
Rain.
Tapos, 1,
Ano?
2, 3. Mali.
Rainbow.
Okay, tama. Rainbow. Next picture. 1.
Moon tapos ilaw.
Ano English ng ilaw?
Moonlight. Red light.
Red light. Ganon. 1, 2.
Moonlight.
Moonlight. Tama.
Ay, moonlight.
Next picture.
Snowball.
Snowball. Tama. Next picture. Galing ah.
Queen's Muban. Starfish.
Galing ah. Very good ah. Okay, next picture.
Handbag.
Tama. Next picture.
Earring.
Tama. Galing ah.
Sing-sing ano eh.
Sing-sing ano?
Sing-sing tenga.
Sing-sing tenga. Okay, next picture.
Cheese lamok.
Cheese lamok? Mali.
Di lamok.
Alright.
Fly. Cheese.
Mali.
Butterfly.
Tama. O, ito yung butter. Tapos, anong English ng langaw? Fly. O, butterfly. Okay,
Butterfly.
next picture.
Angry Palot.
No. Mali.
Angry Bird.
Angry bird. Okay, next picture.
Cupcake.
Tama.
Top. Yung English niya, top, tapos ito take.
Oo. Next picture.
Tereng. Take. Blush.
Isa lang yan eh. Isa lang yan eh.
Take blush. Blush. Do blush.
Ha?
Do blush.
Toothbrush. Tama. Next picture.
Sunflower.
Tama. Next picture.
Ice cream.
Tama. Next picture.
Torn. Ano? Ano ito? Apple map. One. Apple map. Two.
Apple map. Mali.
Mali. Corn beef.
Tama. Next picture.
Ow. Electric fan.
Tama.
Fan.
Next.
Ito fan. Ito electric, tapos ito fan. Yung English niya.
Next picture.
Water lemon.
Oh,
Watermelon.
ano yan?
Watermelon.
Tama.
Alay.
Next picture.
Huwag ka naman mag-google ba? Popcorn. Popcorn.
Tama.
Popcorn.
Next picture.
Popcorn. Ice box.
Tama. Next picture.
Three.
Tapos,
Bahay. Two.
ano yan?
Three.
3.
Tapos bahay.
O, ano basa?
Three bahay.
3 ba?
Ano ba?
Ano ganun?
Tree house.
Tree house.
What's it? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and follow.